Did AI just have its ChatGPT moment for the physical world? And why is the supply chain Ram-ageddon about to make your next company laptop 300% more expensive? Well, welcome to AI Monday. I'm your host, Jeff DeVerter, and this is the first episode of 2026. And the first full week of the year has been a massive pivot. We're moving past chatbots into what NVIDIA calls physical AI, intelligence that can reason, act, and drive. But there's a catch. The infrastructure to run all of this is hitting a wall. Today, we're going to break down the shift from model selection to hardware strategy. Now, before we get started, if you find these updates useful, well, there's one every week. So now's the time to hit those like, subscribe, follow buttons, whatever platform you're on, to make sure that you don't miss a single update. For instance, next week, there will be a special update midweek with all of the AI goodness released at CES, and you don't want to miss that. Well, first up today, NVIDIA, Alpamayo, and the physical AI leap. You see, over at CES 2026, Jensen Huang unveiled Alpamayo, an open reasoning VLA system. Unlike old self-driving tech that just reacts, this uses chain of thought to explain why it's making a turn or stopping. Now, this is important because this is the end of that black box era. For logistics and transit leaders, explainability means lower liability and faster regulatory approval. Also, did you catch that this is open source? That's huge for manufacturers wanting to get into the game, and, well, mighty convenient that it will drive the need for more of those tasty NVIDIA chips. Up next, Ram-ageddon, the DRAM shortage. OpenAI has reportedly secured nearly, wait for it, 40% of the entire world's DRAM output for its Stargate project. Now, what's DRAM, you ask? Well, think of DRAM as a forgetful waiter with a leaky bucket. Your computer uses it to store data in the moment, not like your hard drive, but like those tabs that you have open that you're using to watch me right now. But there's a catch. The hardware is made of all these tiny electric buckets that constantly leak power. Now, to keep your data from vanishing, your computer has to refill or refresh those buckets thousands of times every single second. That's the dynamic, or the D in DRAM. It's fast, it's cheap. Well, it used to be cheap, but the second you pull the plug, those buckets go dry. And the memory, well, it's gone, just like your attempt to buy any in 2026. Now, where is it used? Well, virtually everywhere. Computers, phones, embedded systems, and now with AI everywhere, it's in your refrigerator, it's in your washing machine, and of course, it's in your EV. Now, this is important because it's triggered a price explosion. You see, 64 gigabyte kits that were $180 before are now topping $710. Now, if you're a CTO planning a 2026 hardware refresh, your budget just took a massive hit. The AI tax is no longer just software subscription, it's a hardware reality. Next up, open source dominance. Minimax M2.1. This new model is officially ranked #1 for open source coding, even rivaling GPT 5.2 in speed and in cost. You see, it's 10 times cheaper per token. Now, this is important because the monopoly on high-tier reasoning, well, hopefully it's over. Enterprises can now run state-of-the-art or SOTA-level coding agents locally. This preserves data privacy and slashes API costs. Are you using AI to help you code? Which models are you using? And would you consider using this model instead of one of the big boys? Leave me a comment down below. Here's something to think about: the tacit knowledge wall. You see, we have the brains found in that M.1 model, and the bodies, Alpamayo. But agents, our AI agents, are still failing. Why? Research shows that 90% of your company's value is tacit knowledge. That's the stuff that isn't in a PDF or a Google Doc or a Word doc. It's your employees' brains and in their actions. If your AI doesn't know why you chose one vendor over another during a Friday lunch meeting, well, it can't represent you. Is your 2026 strategy focused on better models or finally digitizing your tribal knowledge? I've got some ideas on how companies can do this, so if you're interested, stick around or reach out to me and I'll let you know. This week proved that AI is getting physical and getting expensive. Which update hits your 2026 budget harder? Is it the hardware prices or the move to open source? Let me know in the comments down below. Well, I hope you find these updates helpful. And if your company needs help taking that next or even the first step with AI, or is interested in a proven methodology to see real AI impact and not just POCs, well, reach out to me. I literally fly around the country every single week, helping companies find real success with AI, and I'd love to help yours. You'll find a link of how to reach out to me in the description down below. Or of course, just send me a message. Now, until next week, keep sharpening those AI skills, and I'll be back with another update next Monday. I'll see you then.